Best way to improve Wi-Fi connection on PC or laptop. Hey everyone, let's get started. On today's video, we will discuss some of the properties to change to improve your Wi-Fi connection. First of all, open your Run tab and search for ncpa.cpl. Now tap on Wi-Fi and right-click on it. Go on its properties. Hereby, you have to select this fourth option, which is Internet Protocol version 4. Then tap on its properties. You have to select the second option, which is use the following DNS server addresses. Make sure to use preferred DNS server as Google's DNS or Cloudflare DNS. For Google, you can use 8.8.8.8 or you can use Clouds, which is 1.1.1.1. Once these changes are made, you can click on OK and close it. After closing the tab, you will again have to click on Wi-Fi again, and in its properties, you have to select on the configure option. Here are different properties that you have to change, but firstly, you have to select on the advanced option. Here are the properties that needs to be changed. First of all, search for fat channel intolerant. Tap on it and make sure that its value is disabled. Now for the next properties, you can select on the option of roaming aggressiveness. Lower the roaming aggressiveness, the better the connection is. So you can select it to the lowest and try if it works for you or not. If not, you can also select on the medium or medium low option. The next option that you have to choose is the preferred band. The preferred band should be 5G if it is available for your devices. Similarly, you can also make changes to other devices or other properties such as your channel mode or the channel width. For the 5G should be on auto. For the 2.4G, it can be on the preferable channel or you can also select auto. After all these changes has been made, make sure to click on OK and after that, restart your device once. This should improve the internet connection. So that's all for today. For more such contents, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and stay tuned.